Good morning children, Joyada here. Welcome to the math class. Whole numbers are simply the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There are no fractions. Natural numbers are the positive whole numbers except 0. Integers are like whole numbers, negative numbers and also includes 0. So integers are negative, positive and 0. All the numbers are these. Now what can you tell about 1 by 2? About 1 by 2, is it an integer, rational number or whole number? It is in between 0 and 1 and you can call it a rational number. So a rational number is a number that can be expressed as a simple fraction, that is as a ratio. So a rational number looks like P upon Q. Remember, Q cannot be 0. Can you tell me these numbers are rational numbers? Yes, these all are rational numbers. So rational numbers are simply the numbers of arithmetic. Sometimes are the rational numbers we can write in this way also. Can you simplify it again? Yes, you can divide it by numerator and denominator both by 5 to get 3 by 5. This is the simplest form. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 9, rational number, exercise 9.1. The introductional video I have given previous of this sum. Now here the question number 1 I have started question number 1 here. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Now you know that -1, 0 all are rational numbers with 1 as denominator. So you have to write 5 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Though in a number line you can see that if it is a number line, then in the number line 0 and -1, you can insert unlimited rational numbers in between two given consecutive numbers. So it is now it is a first sum. So try to understand how we are doing this. 5 rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Now we are inserting 5 rational numbers. So can I write -1 as -1 by 1 and 0 as 0 by 1? Now you have to insert 5 rational numbers. You have to write 5 rational numbers in between these two numbers. So make this denominator one more. Say 5 rational numbers you need. You write extra one. 5 plus 1. That is 6. So make the denominator 6. So you know that if I multiply both numerator and denominator by 6, you will get the same number only because it is equivalent fraction, and 0 by 1 also you are multiplying by 6 into 6. Then what is the number? -6 by 6. See, it is again -1 only, and 0 into 6 means 0 by 6. Therefore 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 are, see, -6 by 6. So you can write, we will not write these two numbers, but in between the numbers I can write now. See, after -6 the number will be -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6. After that 0 by 6 will come, and here -6 by 6 will come. So how many now rational numbers you can get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can write this answer as in this way only. Next sum. Now again question number 2. Write 5 rational numbers between -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. Here the denominators are not same. So first of all, you have to make the denominator same, and you know how to make the denominator same. You have to make their LCM, and you know that the LCM of 5 and 6, 5 and 3, LCM of 5 and LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So make the denominator same, and you know when you are making this denominator same, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3, as in this way you will write first. Then to make 5 as 15, you need to multiply it by 3. So both the numerator and denominator you should multiply by the same number. Similarly, here you have to make the denominator 5, so multiply by 5, and both the numerator and denominator by 5. So minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. Now in between minus 12 and minus 10, how many numbers you can get? See, in between in the number line, as both the numbers are negative, so in between minus 12, it is minus 11 and then minus 10. So in these two numbers, in between these two numbers, you have to write 5 rational numbers. So you have to make the denominator uh, slightly larger one, so that you can express 5 rational number in between there. So try to write, if we multiply both the numerators and denominators by 3, that is equivalent fraction only. Minus 12 by 15 into 3, as the denominators are same now, so we will multiply by the same number only. Minus 10 by 15 into 3 into 3. So what numbers you are getting now? Minus 36 by 45 and minus 30 by 45. So now denominators are same. In between 36 and 30, how many numbers you can get? Now in between minus 36 and minus 30, you can write minus 35 by 45. Denominators are same. Minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 31 by 45. After that minus 30 will come, which I will not include here, and before this number also minus 36. Both the numbers we will not write. We have to write the numbers in between these two numbers. So this can be the result of these rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. I hope if you try, then you can do this easily. Thank you, students.